Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So Nothing have finally started rolling out new update for Nothing Phone 2, which is Nothing OS 2.0.2. It brings a lot of fixes to the previous build. So that's what we'll be covering in this video. We'll talk about the new changes, fixes, and what all improvements have been done on this latest build. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so here I have my Nothing Phone 2, which I have already updated to the latest build. First of all, let me show you the software information. If you go to About section, here you can see the latest version is 2.0.2. And if you go to Android version, this build comes with 1st July 2023 security patch. Also, let me show you the change logs and the update size. So here you can see the system change logs. There are few new add-ons done, improvements in camera segment, later some system improvements followed by bug fixes. And the update size was 98.34 MB. And guys, before moving ahead, if you guys like our content, then make sure to smash that like button. And also if you're new to our channel, then do consider subscribing. So I updated my device around 4:30 or 4:40. After that, I did click few pictures before and after updating the device, trying my best to keep the same environmental condition, or you can say the lighting conditions, because there are a lot of changes done with the camera application. So if you talk about the first feature, wherein they say they have added a new feature to shut down apps when the device reaches temperature limits. So right now that might be in system implementation because there is no specific setting for that. And after this update, if your device heats up a lot, it will automatically shut down the applications running in the background. Then they also say they have refined the out of the battery visual when device is switched off. So personally, I wasn't able to find out any difference, or I'm not sure exactly what they are talking about. Initially, I thought they are talking about the visual changes when the device is off and it is kept for charging. I did took before and after video. There I did not notice much of changes. So if you guys are aware about it, do let me know in the comment section below what exactly this change means. With the next change log, they say volume control will now display the different icon for each of the Nothing audio product. So here you can see a screenshot which was taken before and after. And I have the latest buds from Nothing, where you'll see a slight change in the icon if you compare it with the previous one. It's not a huge change, but a noticeable change. And as per the change, Nothing says if you have different audio product, accordingly it will show you guys the icon in the volume control. Later they added the Google security patch of July, which I've already shown you. Then Nothing claims a lot of improvements in the camera segment. So first of all, let's talk about the camera app version. Let me show you a screenshot. So this was the app version previously, which was 9.27. And if you talk about the recent app version after the update, which is 9.33. So not a major bump, but yes, version have been changed. So Nothing says they have improved the photo quality in low light settings. And yes guys, there's a slight difference which we guys get to see in the pictures clicked with low light. Now we get to see more sharper images when low light is available, and the details are also good enough. You can see the samples. Left one was clicked before updating the device and the right one was clicked after updating the device. Then they also say they have improved the photo clarity in 50 megapixel mode. So here you can see the pictures before and after. Now I do notice bit of improvements in the dynamic range. These pictures which you are seeing were clicked in 50 megapixel mode with 1x zoom. These are the samples which we clicked in ultra wide angle using 50MP mode only. And here with ultra wide, I personally don't like the experience on Nothing Phone 2. A lot of details can be seen missing and photos are not even sharper. You can see on the top side of the image, the leaves are completely blurred out. After that, they have also improved the photo clarity using front camera. And yes guys, there's a noticeable difference with the front camera. Before image, you can see there were a lot of smoothing going on the skin, but now after the update, image seems to be more sharper. After that, they optimize the stability and contrast when recording video with rear camera. So here we can clearly see a difference. Now you get to see more details in the video which has been recorded after the update, and contrast also seems to be improved now. Dynamic range is still an issue, which you can see in both the videos. It was the same thing before update and after update also. Stabilization, I did not notice much of difference. After that, they improved the contrast and bokeh effect when shooting in portrait mode on the rear camera. And here I would say, now after this update, bokeh effect feels natural instead of that artificial one which we used to see on the previous build. And contrast is also improved. Now you get colors more towards the natural one. Previously colors used to pop out, but that's not the case after this update. Then they also optimize the clarity of faces when shooting in portrait mode with rear camera. So these photos I clicked with rear camera and you can see a noticeable difference here. Now skin tones are more close to natural compared to the previous one where it used to smoothen a lot. There are no issues with the edge detection. Everything seems to be perfect now. At last they say they have improved the HDR processing speed after this update. So here you can see a side-by-side video before and after updating the device, and I did notice little bit of improvements in the HDR processing speed on this latest build, but it's still inconsistent. Sometimes it processes faster and sometimes it takes few additional seconds. But overall I did notice a lot of improvements in the camera segment. I hope in future also Nothing continues to improve their camera segment. What are your thoughts about it? Let me know in the comment section below. I was badly waiting for the camera update so that we can do our full review of Nothing Phone 2 and also compare the camera with other phones. And now we're talking about the improvements. So here Nothing says they have reworked haptic feedback strength when typing. But overall when it comes to typing experience, you will obviously feel more precise haptics, and now the strength is also good enough with that crisp typing feel. Then some improvements they have done related to responsiveness of touch panel, improved network reliability with multiple carrier globally, optimize the performance for certain games. So when we talk about the games, that will be posting in a full review video. Moving on to the bug fixes. So first fix what they have done is related to wallet. So basically here in India, Google Wallet doesn't work, so can't say much about it. After that, they have also fixed the issue of double tap to wake wasn't working in some scenarios. Yes, and this issue even I have faced multiple times with the previous build wherein double tap to wake doesn't used to work. And later they have resolved an issue causing the Bluetooth quick setting tile to be unresponsive. Though I personally never faced any kind of issues with the Bluetooth tile. And at last resolved a rare issue causing system UI to be unresponsive at times. And other general bug fixes have been done. So overall it's a great update for Nothing Phone 2 and a lot of users will like the camera segment improvements. I'll be using this device as my primary phone and keep you guys posted in a full review video. So meanwhile, if you have any kind of questions, you guys can let us know in the comment section below. So as of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.